So here's how I dice an onion. I start cutting it in half. After you cut it in half, you take the peel off. After you've peeled it, I cut off the non-root end. The reason you do that is so that the root end will help keep it together as you dice it. The first cut is into the front. You're going to make 1, 2 cuts, depending on the size of the onion, maybe 3. 1, 2, 3. Always keep your hand on top so you don't get cut. So you put that first cut in, second cut in, as far back to the root without going through, third cut. The next cut is along the sides. And you, depending on how big or small you want your dice, that's how close together you make your cuts. And then the final cut, again, depending on how large you want the dice. 1, and at the end, I just trim these pieces off. And you'll see, although not completely uniform, for home cooks, it's a nice cut.